Managing money on a limited income is not about willpower or personal failure. It is a specialized technical skill. Think of your finances as an operating system. Your goal is not to sacrifice, but to optimize the system for your reality. Focusing on systems over sacrifice allows you to build stability regardless of income levels. When money is tight, you must prioritize your survival. We call these the four walls, the essential expenses that must be covered before anything else. The four walls are food, shelter, utilities, and transportation. These represent your immediate physical needs for safety and work. Crucially, do not pay extra on debt or invest until these four areas are fully covered. This is the bedrock of your financial stability. By securing your four walls first, you buy yourself the breathing room needed to tackle your broader financial goals. Traditional advice often suggests a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. For many, that goal feels completely out of reach and can lead to frustration. A better, more reachable target is the 1 month survival fund. It's designed to provide exactly what you need to cover your basics for 30 days. This fund covers your four walls: food, utilities, shelter, and transportation. This isn't about luxury, it's about stability. By securing these, you create essential breathing room. You prevent small, unexpected costs from turning into full-scale financial panics. Standard budgeting rules like 50, 30, 20 are designed for those with significant disposable income. For tighter budgets, these fixed percentages rarely reflect reality. The alternative is zero-based micro-budgeting. In this model, every dollar is assigned a job the moment it arrives. By assigning your entire income to specific needs, you reach a balance of exactly zero before the next pay cycle. Use banking APIs to automate this. Instead of manual calculation, automation categorizes every cent instantly. This prevents decision fatigue and ensures your essential survival costs are covered first. Behavioral experts agree, relying on willpower to manage a limited budget is difficult. It creates cognitive load, leading to decision fatigue. Automation, however, is reliable. By setting it and forgetting it, you remove the need for constant daily decisions. Most modern banking apps can automatically segment your deposits. Income flows in, and the system instantly splits it into specific pockets for bills and spending. This system handles the math for you, ensuring your essential costs are covered before you even have a chance to spend. When your income is limited, every dollar represents a choice. Values-based spending helps you decide where that money goes. Ask yourself, does this purchase serve a basic need, or does it contribute to your psychological well-being? If the answer is no, it is a budget leak. These small, unaligned purchases add up and prevent you from meeting your primary goals. Plug the leaks. Focus your resources on your survival needs and your true well-being goals. This is how you manage a limited income with intention. AI-driven financial concierges are changing how we manage money. These digital tools serve as your personal advisor, working around the clock to secure your financial health. These tools scan your transactions to identify hidden subscriptions you no longer need. They also check for government assistance programs you might qualify for, helping you find money you were essentially losing. By democratizing advisory services, AI makes high-quality financial guidance accessible to everyone. It is about maximizing your resources and finding value in every dollar you earn. When managing debt, two strategies stand out: the avalanche method and the snowball method. Mathematically, the avalanche method is superior. By targeting debts with the highest interest first, you save more money over time. However, psychologists often recommend the snowball method. By paying off your smallest balance first, you build momentum through quick, visible wins. For low-income earners, the snowball method is frequently more sustainable, as the reduction of stress and the motivation from finishing a debt keeps you on track. Buy now, pay later services are the single biggest threat to long-term financial stability in 2026. While they appear convenient, they are often debt traps in disguise. These services break a single purchase into small, easy-looking payments. This fragmentation makes it far too simple to overspend without feeling the immediate impact on your bank account. Over time, these small payments pile up, creating hidden debt. Because they compound quickly, they become difficult to manage, potentially spiraling into a significant financial burden. To protect your long-term stability, make a commitment to avoid these services entirely. True financial freedom comes from planning, not from fragmented high-risk debt. Traditional banks often charge maintenance and overdraft fees that function like a hidden tax on your income. These costs can quickly erode a limited budget. In contrast, digital-only neobanks provide a streamlined alternative. They operate with zero-fee accounts designed to keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Beyond saving on fees, many neobanks offer early access to your paycheck. By clearing your funds sooner, they help you avoid late payment penalties and smooth out your monthly cash flow. Switching to a modern neobank is a simple, effective step to stabilize your finances. Focus on zero-fee accounts that respect your hard work. Small habits lead to big changes. Roundup features automatically take your spare change from every purchase and move it into savings. This micro-saving happens entirely in the background, requiring zero willpower from you. Over a year, these pennies turn into significant wealth. Research shows that users who utilize automated roundup tools save significantly more per year than those relying on manual effort. Community lending, or ROSCAs, offer a powerful alternative to traditional banking for those facing emergencies. Instead of turning to high-interest predatory lenders, neighbors pool their resources together. Each member contributes a small, manageable amount to a central pot on a regular schedule. This collective effort ensures that the group has capital ready when a member faces an urgent need. Because the funds belong to the community, members can receive interest-free loans when it's their turn in the rotation. This allows you to avoid the crushing fees of predatory payday lenders. ROSCA's turned saving into a collaborative, interest-free practice, proving that community strength is one of the most effective financial assets available to you. Fixed costs like utilities, internet, and phone bills often feel set in stone. However, many providers have programs for low-income households or energy efficiency initiatives. Simply calling your provider and asking if you qualify for a lower rate is a powerful budgeting step. Don't be afraid to mention competing offers. Every $5 or $10 you negotiate is a direct win for your budget. These small amounts accumulate quickly when you address all your fixed bills. Finally, always ask specifically about energy efficiency programs. These can lower your monthly usage and reduce the total cost of your utilities long term. If you do gig work or side jobs, you are essentially a small business owner. The biggest risk is the end-of-year tax shock. Prevent this by setting aside a percentage of every gig payment instantly. Use banking apps that automate this split so you aren't surprised when tax season arrives in April. Automation is your best protection. When tax withholding happens the moment you get paid, you keep your finances stable and worry-free. In the gig economy, income often fluctuates month to month. Traditional fixed bills can create a significant financial squeeze when income is low. Modern finance introduces pay-as-you-go insurance and granular utility billing. These products adjust costs based on your actual usage. By paying only for what you use, your bills automatically shrink during months of lower income, helping you maintain financial stability without the stress of rigid, high payments. Budgeting only works when there is a clear gap between your income and your total expenses. If your income matches your expenses exactly, you have no room for savings or unexpected needs. When there is no gap, your focus must shift. You have two main levers, either increasing your income or strictly controlling your costs. If your essential costs consume every dollar, look for ways to boost your earnings through the gig economy or by learning new skills while relentlessly auditing your fixed expenses. Massive financial goals can feel overwhelming, often leading to frustration and burnout. When you focus only on a huge number, like $10,000, it is easy to feel like you are not making progress. Instead, break your massive objective into small, achievable micro milestones. Aim for $500 at a time. Each small milestone acts as a psychological win. These bite-sized goals keep you engaged and turn an intimidating journey into a series of manageable steps. Consistent progress towards small targets is the best way to build habits that last. Celebrate every win and stay motivated on your path to financial stability. Managing your money shouldn't feel like a second job. Manually tracking every single receipt creates significant cognitive load. This constant mental effort leads to decision fatigue, eventually causing financial burnout and abandonment of your budget. Instead, utilize apps that sync directly with your bank. This categorizes your spending automatically, freeing your energy for high-level planning. When you stop focusing on data entry and start focusing on strategy, you make your limited financial energy much more effective. Many believe saving requires massive, sporadic effort, but relying on willpower alone is often inconsistent and stressful. Research reveals a powerful insight. Automating your savings, even by just $5 a week, creates consistency. In fact, individuals who automate small deposits are 65% more likely to avoid the trap of high-interest predatory loans over 2 years. Small, consistent actions are mathematically superior to occasional, stressful deposits. By automating your path, you prioritize your future stability. Nearly half of all households earning under $40,000 now use AI-powered financial tools. These digital assistants are revolutionizing consistency. Traditional manual budgeting is prone to human error and decision fatigue. In contrast, AI tools automatically categorize spending, providing clarity without the chore of manual entry. Let technology handle the heavy lifting. By setting up automated spending pockets, your only job is to live within those predefined limits, making financial stability much more achievable. The journey toward financial stability isn't about grand gestures. It's built through small, consistent, and automated choices. First, secure your four walls: food, utilities, shelter, and transportation. This is your foundation. Then, use technology to maintain a bird's-eye view of your progress and let automation do the heavy lifting. Financial stability is within reach when you focus on these simple pillars. Stay consistent, stay small, and watch your stability grow.